The correct sequence which shows decreasing order of the ionic radii of the elements is, here you first take out the elements of to which group they belong. First of all, let's take up the cations. What are these? The cations are aluminium, it belongs to group 3. Then we have got magnesium, group 2. Then we have got sodium, group 1. Which group? That is in the periodic table. Then we have got the anions, that is, this is F minus and O2 minus. So students, always remember, anions have got a bigger size than cations. Right? So your anions are bigger in size than cations. So what all are the anions here? O2 minus and F minus. Of these, which will be bigger? Oxygen, because it is present in group 6 and across the period, this is across the period. If I am moving from left to right in the period, what happens? The ionic radii or the atomic radii decreases, right? So in here I am moving from left to right in the period. So the radii decreases, right? So here O2 minus has got a larger radius than F minus. We have got only one option like this. No, we have got here also, no? We have the second option. So it can be B or D. If we'll take out one more, we will be close to the answer. Now students, the cations, the more is the positive charge, smaller is the cation. Right? So what I can say that more is, or the magnitude of charge on the ion is inversely proportional to the size. This is in case of cations, right? So more is the positive charge, smaller is the ion. It means your Al3 plus is smaller than Mg2 plus is smaller than sodium plus. So we have got our answer. Option D. Oxygen anion, because it has got 2 more electrons, is bigger than fluoride anion, which is further bigger than sodium, then magnesium, and then aluminum. Right? Remember that anions are bigger in size, cations are smaller in size. In anions, there are more number of electrons to be held by the nucleus, so it becomes bigger in size. And in cations, there are less number of electrons to be held by the nucleus, so it becomes smaller. There is more attractive force between the nuclei and the electrons present. Right? So students, this question was from the periodic properties of elements. And the marking scheme was +4 -1. So I think what happens that when you see so many ions with the greater than sign or the smaller than sign, you get confused. So it's better you just pull out ions from there, write them separately and make your arrangement, rather than just ruling out the options. So this is my suggestion to you. Whenever you are seeing such sort of question maybe related to your ionic radii, or maybe related to the oxidation state or the ionization energy or electronegativity or electron affinity. So wherever you are getting these arrangements, don't just go into it, because I get confused. So what I do is I just take out the ions separately and work on it separately, so that I am getting the right option, right? So just try this. Your answers will always be right if you try like that. Just pull out the ions, place it in the groups, write the name of the groups as well as the periods. And remember, there is one thumb rule, that when you move from left to right in the periodic table, the sizes reduce, the ionization energy increases, right? Electronegativity increases. When you move from top to bottom in the periodic table in a group, what happens? The size increases, the electropositivity also increases, and there is also one more factor, that is inert pair effect. So these are, students, some basic things which you should know, right?